Now on the assassination of Haiti's president. 17 suspects are in custody this morning, and among them 2 Americans. And authorities say several more suspects are still on the run. Our Marcus Moore is in Miami, where Haiti's first lady is recovering from critical injuries from that attack. Marcus, hello.
TJ, good morning to you. As Haiti's First Lady recovers at this hospital, authorities back in Haiti paraded the detainees in front of cameras overnight, and they say that the search for more suspects is not over. Overnight, the first pictures of the suspects arrested in connection with the assassination of Haitian President Jovenel Moïse. Among the suspects, 2 Americans, 35-year-old James Salage and another American man in his 50s. More than a dozen of the suspects are former members of the Colombian army, that country's president vowing to help Haiti investigate what happened. This as new details of the attack are emerging. Local media reporting that the assailants stormed into the president's bedroom, shooting him 12 times. His wife shot 3 times. She is now in Miami receiving treatment. Haiti's ambassador to the U.S. saying she is improving, but has a long road to recovery ahead. On Thursday, Haiti's acting prime minister speaking out, saying, quote, "This barbaric act is not going unpunished." And without question, there is a lot at stake for Haiti, a country that was already in the throes of political and economic turmoil before the assassination. And now everyone is watching to see what will happen next, because there is a power vacuum with no clear indication of who will lead the country into the future, and that's setting up for the potential of a power struggle ahead. George.
Such a troubled history in that country. Okay, Marcus, thanks very much.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.